Good morning, students. Here is your maths teacher, Mr. Suresh Bhandolkar, and we were studying our second topic of maths, fractions. In that, we have seen what is meant by fraction. So let us revise what is definition of fraction. Any number in the form of a upon b, where a and b are integers, or you can say natural numbers, and b is not equals to 0. Means b should not be 0. A can be 0 or any number, but here is one limit given: b should not be 0. That all numbers are called fractions. So here are the different types and examples of the fractions. In previous video we have seen proper fraction, improper fraction, unit fraction and mixed fraction. Now let us revise. I have given some homework of writing five examples of each type of fraction. I hope all of you have written that examples. Let's check. Proper fractions. 9 upon 20 means numerator is smaller than denominator. 8 upon 10, numerator is smaller than denominator. 6 upon 7, numerator smaller than denominator. So these are proper fractions. Improper fraction, in which numerator is greater than denominator. 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater than 2, 14 is greater than 10. Unit fraction, all fractions whose numerator is 1 are called unit fractions. Like fractions, in which denominators are same, means same denominator, 2 or more fractions are called like fraction. This today we have to see. You can write another group of like fractions. You can take any denominator, suppose 0 upon 10, 1 upon 10, 170 upon 10, 99 upon 10. Numerator can be 0, but denominator should not be 0. So here are the equal denominators. These are like fraction. Unlike fraction is little bit opposite of denominator. Sorry, unlike fraction is little bit opposite of like fraction, in which different denominators are there. Even numerators are same, doesn't matter, but unlike fraction should have denominators different. For example, 14 upon 2, 7 upon 3, 7 upon 4, 10 upon 9, 7 upon 13. See, these all fractions have their denominators different. So that's why these are unlike fractions. Got it? So next type of fraction is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, already we have seen. Let us revise. An integer or a whole number, suppose 8, 3 upon 4. One proper fraction and one integer. Together it becomes mixed fraction. We can convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How? 8 multiplied by 4 plus 3 upon 4. In this way we can convert it. 8 4 is 32 plus 3, 35 upon 4. So this is the improper conversion of this mixed fraction. So that we will study step by step. Then next type we will see. Here is a next type of fraction, decimal fraction. Sixth type, decimal fraction. A decimal fraction is a fraction whose denominator is any of the numbers 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. For example, 13 upon 10, 4 upon 100, 1034 upon 1000, 1 upon 10,000. These all are decimal fractions. Why these numbers are called decimal fraction? Because we can convert them into decimal. We can convert every fraction, but this is very easy to convert into decimal. 13 upon 10 means 1.3, 4 upon 100 means 0.04, 1034 upon 1000 means 1.034, and 1 upon 10,000 means 0.0001. Then next type is opposite of decimal fraction is called vulgar fraction. A vulgar fraction is a fraction whose denominator is a natural number other than 10, 100, 1000, etc. For example, 2 upon 5, 3 upon 6, 7 upon 9, 8 upon 11, 9 upon 101. So here their denominators are not 10, 100 or 1000. So these are called vulgar fraction. Decimal fraction and vulgar fraction are opposite in same way like and unlike, proper and improper, decimal and vulgar fraction. Then one type is remaining, equivalent fraction. How to convert a fraction into equivalent fraction, or how to find equivalent fraction of a given fraction. Equivalent and equal is different. Equivalent means any two fractions whose simplest form is a same. For example, 3 upon 4 and 6 upon 8. When we convert these two fractions in their simplest form. Simplest form means numerator and denominator should not have any common divisor. So here 3 upon 4 is already in simplest form, and 6 upon 8, here we have a common divisor 2. 2 dash 6 is 3 and 2 dash 8 is 4. So 3 upon 4 and 3 upon 4 are equal, means their simplest forms are equal. They are called equivalent fraction. Another equivalent fraction, 3 to the 6, 3 3 9, 4 to the 8, 4 3 12. So 9 upon 12, 6 upon 8, 3 upon 4, 12 upon 16, 15 upon 20. These all are equivalent fractions. Equivalent fraction can be obtained by either multiplying or dividing by the same number, same non-zero number. When we multiply with same number, for example, another example I will take, 5 upon 2. If we multiply this by 2, 5 2s are 10 and 2 2s are 4. So 5 upon 2 and 10 upon 4 are equivalent fractions. Again here if we multiply by 4, 10 4s are 40 and 4 4s are 16. 40 upon 16, 10 upon 4, 5 upon 2, all are equivalent fractions. So in this way today we learned proper, improper, like, unlike, decimal, vulgar, mixed and equivalent fractions. Now you have to write each type of 7 examples in your notebook, and these assignments or homework you have to keep with you. You don't have to send to anyone. Whenever it will be demanded or whenever message will come for all, that time only you have to forward. Otherwise don't forward your assignment, and please don't call or message to any teacher for the same. You will be informed when it will be required. Thank you.